Da, 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 da. Ooh. So, got my latest gadgets I'm going to be playing with. Thanks to Noel Leeming. Well, I went and bought this just the other day. It's great. They will match any price you find the cheapest price online, off a physical store, and give you flybys. It's pretty awesome. What do we have here? Oh, someone's coming along to see. Okay. What do we have? GoPro 6 Hero Black. Put that there. What else do we have here? Oh, Headstrap and quickclip. Say goodbye to having to use my cell phone for making these videos. And then what else? Oh, dual battery charger and a battery. And suction cup. No more bouncy videos or videos flopping around when I do my little trips, driving trips. And then, well, no GoPro can be without memory cards. Two of them, 264 gigs. From what I was told by the salesperson and looking online, it looks like a battery will last about, what was it? 70 minutes. So I've got two, and actually memory wise 64 gigs should be more than enough. I think it's records about 30 gigs for an hour, and these are 64 gigs, but you can never have too big a memory card, never. Alright, let me unpack these babies while holding the phone. Ugh. Let me see, what's a good angle? Maybe put it up on here. What do we have here? Okay. I'm going to open this nicely. Case. Stuck. What's this? Case for monkeys. The GoPro's in the box. Open. I see this. Do I rip this? Oh, I don't really want to rip the box, but I think I'm gonna have to. Right. Yep. And then what do we have here? This. To pull it out. Childproof packaging, damn it. Let's go. What's going on here? Is it glued? I don't know if it's glued. Ah, this looks like this sounds like. I want to rip the box to pieces. I might have to. Ah, there we go. Okay. Look at that. It's opening. Look at that. Oh, Daddy. Daddy, where's that? Daddy. Oh, Daddy's the same. Okay, okay. You can sit on my lap. Oh, okay. Your house. Okay. So, there's the GoPro. Excellent. Look at that. Okay. So out of the box. Oh. It's actually stuck in the box. I thought it was just a single container and plastic case. It's a good thing I didn't rip the box to pieces. And then, what do we have here? Let's open this up carefully. I'm trying to get cucumbers out of it. Whoa! Don't fall. There we go. Let's open this baby up. I'm watching. Okay. Right. We have. Yeah, look. A little anti-theft device thing in there. Good thing I didn't steal it. Usual sort of micro. I was about to say micro USB charger, but sorry. We'll have to edit that out later. But what do we have here? So it's one of those new lightning cables. Some spare sticky things there. Stick it on. Oh, geez, look how small the battery is. I really didn't picture it being that small. 3D battery, pretty bad. Okay. Is that it? Come on. Not this much money. Manual. Oh, it pops around the back. Okay. Or maybe I opened it the wrong way. Ooh, stickers. GoPro Care. You break it, we'll replace it. Oh yeah, I've heard about this. You have to pay a certain amount of money. Okay. Then all GoPro stickers. I can stick that on cool stuff. And important safety instructions with all the languages. Okay. Damn it. Maybe prop me up something beside you. Just down there. Maybe I could use that. Okay. What's this thing? Oh, no, this is how you pull the thing out. I thought it was like a safety battery. Okay. Okay, now you have this one here. Got that one there. And prop up my phone properly. And now this comes off here. You remove these. Ah, little rubber bung, I think. Don't want to break it. Now this one. Remove. How's this? Okay, instruction time. Let's look at this. It says you lift this up. Yep. And this should just push out. Ah, and then you push these. There we go. Oh, drink once. Yeah. So you push that up and then use the little pincer things there. Okay. Alright. Now what? Where's the rest of the instructions? Okay. Oh. Alright, that's the whole thing. Let me play around with this. Oh, dual battery charger. Someone's come for another watch. Okay. I think I'll charge up my batteries using this. Just need to cut open. Can you get enough? Cut this open. Yeah. Instead of having to plug the charging into the GoPro, plug a cable in, I should just be able to charge it using this. So give me a knife. Give me a knife. Does that help? Okay. Now we have this. Carefully open it. Okay. Slide this baby out. Okay. And oh, look at that. And slowly pull this thing. Put that over there. And there we go. That's a charging case, people. Really like the sort of matte black look of it. Feels really solid. Nice sort of rubbery thing on at the bottom there. Yeah, so it doesn't slip around. Nice little GoPro logo. Yeah, it's got a really nice build feel to it. And again, there's insanely small batteries. And this one is sealed. Okay, cut this baby open. Open that there. Okay. Oh, instructions, important. Let me read the instructions first. I always tell my wife to charge up her batteries overnight. Let's make sure that's the case here. That took care of that. Little pre-diagram thing there. Put the two batteries in. Yeah, so if it's fully charged, green, not fully charged, yellow. Ah, that's what those are there. Okay. Now, where's the kind of wall socket that you plug it into? Is there no wall socket? It's just a plug, USB plug. I thought there'd be a, yeah. I thought there'd be like a power plug.
There's no plug.
Alright. So I suppose you can just probably charge it in. Charge two GoPro Black batteries simultaneously. Charge up to with GoPro supercharger. I want the supercharger. Where's the supercharger? No. Alright. Pop that baby in. That's why that's really handy. Pop this baby in. Oh, it's got a nice little click to it. And which cable do I use? I'll just keep one as a. I'll use one of these. Okay. Nicely straighten it out. Read the instructions. French, Italiano, Espanol, Portuguese, Netherlands, Polski, Fresca, Russian, English. English? Ah, here we go. Warranty, disclaimers, consumers, Australian consumers, open source, ice free. As always, it's generally a waste of paper, this. Chuck that in the bin. Let's see if there's anything in the important product safety instructions here. Again, a whole bunch of languages. This is the manual for the GoPro. No, this isn't the manual. This is the important product safety. Oh, that's another one that goes for the bin. Must be one of those online ads. I mean, online sort of manuals. Okay, let's open the last one. And yeah. Hopefully this one doesn't have any crazy safety manual thing on top. It's a knife, locks it up nicely on there. Yeah, so it's looking at, you click on wearing your GoPro on your head or pull over helmets. Included quickclip fits onto your favorite baseball cap too. Headstrap, quickclip, thumb screw. And that's that. Let's open this baby up. Bad about throwing these things around. And I'm going to keep this. I do want to keep this box. I'll keep this box. Make sure my work doesn't flip away. There's that one, that one. Wow, all the packaging for that. Huh. Yeah, so this is the little clipping thing for your hats. Pretty nice and simple. And unscrews and pops on there. Yeah, but you get a nice kind of rubbery feel to that. Oh, that's really cool how they do the rubber bands. Look at that. I almost feel bad removing the rubber band. I'll leave it like that. Okay. So there we go, guys. That's the unboxing. So what I'm going to do now is plug it into charge and then probably charge it overnight. Plug in the memory card there. Okay, I'll open up the memory card too. Might as well. So this is what the salesperson picked up, and it seemed to make sense. I've sort of lost track of all the numbering schemes they had, like class 10, etc. So this is, as you can see, is 4K UHD, which is what you kind of need for the GoPro. There you go. And yeah, 64 gig. This is up to speed up to 100 megabytes a second. I thought that's most of them nowadays. But let's carefully open this up, just in case it's not the right speed memory card. I can hopefully just take it back. It just says cut along there. The scissors could have been good, but a knife will do the job. I'm going to cut myself. Childproof packaging. There we go. And this baby up. Ooh, these are the also. Oh, let's keep going. Okay. And let's just open this up. Okay. Yeah, the thing that surprised me was seems to be some kind of special. I don't know if you can see that. There's some kind of Rescue Pro. Probably what is it for? 1 year subscription of Rescue Pro Deluxe recovery software. Recovery software for digital media. Recovers images, videos, documents, music, and just about anything. And keep that in mind. Probably take a... Well, you've probably seen the code now. I hope not. I'll have to look back at the video, but... yeah. I'll keep that. Never had to recover any data, but that'll be good. Okay. Alright. That's the unboxing, and here is the memory card. Yeah. Open. Oh, come on. Oh, how does this to open now? Oh, okay. Ah, plastic on the back. There we go. Really, really small. You have to be worried about losing it. My wife reckons I should try it on. Okay. Let's try that. Which means I will have to remove this, which is why I didn't want to do, but we'll do. Because my wife asked. Okay. Pretty plastic. Yeah. I'm going to keep these rubber bands. GoPro rubber band.
Isn't it just an ordinary rubber band?
No, it's a special rubber band. Look at that. It's like a special black GoPro. Special. Now, this is kind of cut funny though. Look at that. It's a bit wiggly. Right. Let's see. Put this baby on. Ooh. Look at that. It's got like a kind of rubbery material, obviously to prevent it from falling off your head. Oh, actually for helmets. So, luckily I don't have a helmet head, so that would be too big. There we go. Something like that. Yep, looks about the right size. And this would be perfect for my session for pandemic board game session that I'm going to have soon on the 26th with a bunch of friends of mine, and again with the childproof pack. Yes. Jesus. Am I unscrewing it all from here? That can't be right. Oh, we need to remove this. What's going on here? It's on there pretty well. I don't want to break it. I didn't mention anything like that in the instructions. It's probably like watching a monkey trying to crack open a coconut for you guys, but I tell you honestly, it's on there pretty good. Imagine James making fun of me. Should have gone to the gym. Oh. What's that? Does that have that? No. Okay, hold on. Let's tighten. Let's loosen. They glue it on, make fun of people? Wow. Hopefully this doesn't break my teeth. Oh, there we go. That wasn't my teeth, don't worry. Yeah, it was just on there really, really tight. I wonder if you heard that crack. It was really, really strange. Yep, my teeth are alright, don't worry. Yeah. Let me just unscrew this. Oh, but now I have bite marks on my thing. Oh. Okay. There we go. And put this baby on here. So just kind of putting that on there. Okay. I always imagined that this would be a lot easier getting on and off. Obviously not. But then again, I suppose it's good that it just doesn't flop out. Yeah. Ryan, if you're watching, don't laugh. I know you probably laugh at me. Yes, you are almost certainly laughing at me. Okay. It's the childproof packaging. We're just going to use it, huh? Yeah. They never show you these in the videos, do they? Just kind of think it's... Oh yeah, click, 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 as seen on TV, really. Yeah, I can see all the way through. Oh, so it's, now there's all grimy fingerprints and everything. Yeah, it's not going to fall off anytime soon, though, that's for sure. Here's my t-shirt. Yeah. Okay, I'm not going to screw it in all the way because it's pretty tough, so I don't want to break it either. So, now putting this baby on, that's what it looks like. Oh, that's pointed out completely. There we go. How's it look? Can you see one there? Yeah. So now, there we go, that's what it kind of looks like. How's it feel on the head? Strange because that's not completely centered. I'll have to play around with the settings, but it fits on there pretty snug. Feels strange, but other than that, yeah. Alright, that's the unboxing and trying it on. I'm just going to play around with loosening things up, and yeah, then do another video of it up and running after I've charged up the batteries. Okay, thanks for that guys, and see you on the flip side.